Kids have been teaching us organization behavior since ages. Let me tell you how. You give a football to a group of kids, and this is what they are going to do. The first thing that they are going to do is collect two big giant stones and set up two different goals for two different teams. Now, what do we learn out of it? This is about goal setting. The first thing that we need to do in an organization or in our career is set up smart goals. Now, the lesson number two that they teach us is they divide the teams. Okay. Now, what is it? It is about looking at the competition. If you're running a business, you might want to look into your business competitors. Now, if you're getting onto an organization, you need to look into your peers, your colleagues, and then see to that you upskill yourself and then have some healthy competition. Lesson number three is they discuss the rules of the game, the rules of engagement. Now, what is this? This is nothing but the protocols, the processes around an organization. Now, lesson number four, they divide the teams, they decide who strikes, who take care of the goalkeeping, who is going to sweep and all, right? Now, this is all about roles and responsibilities. This is all about strategizing. Lesson number five, now they get into action. Now, this is the real game. Now, what does we have to learn about it? Now, this is about execution with precision, with great focus. Lesson number six, they go ahead and then chase the ball. Now, what is it? Now, this is about leveraging on every single opportunity that you get. Lesson number seven, all the players equally contribute towards hitting the goal. Now, this is teamwork. Lesson number eight, all the players win the goal and they move on. They favor the victory and then they move on to the next goal immediately. Now, what does that teach? It is about one step at a time and getting back to the business. You should not settle down just because you have got one victory or one project is successful. You should go on to the next one with the same precision. Lesson number nine, all the players celebrate the victory with equal enthusiasm. What does that teach? It is teamwork. It is team spirit. Now, the 10th one is my favorite. Now, this is about the losing team. Now, these people, they challenge the winning team and they play till it is dark. They don't give up, right? Now, what does it teach us? It is persistence. It doesn't matter how many times you fall down. What matters is how many times you pick yourself on and move on and on and on. You sure would have done something like this when you were a kid, right? Similarly, if you'd want to excel at job, consider work as a game. When work is fun, you have zero complaints except one regret. That's why didn't I do this before? Thanks for watching. Hope I've been an instrument of service through this video. Please do subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.